Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the C7 error on Instagram pot. Pressure cooker heating element quick fix. The fix one, check the liquid level. Turn off and unplug the instant pot. Then open the lid and make sure there is enough thin liquid, the water, broth or stock inside the pot. Most pressure cookers program required at least 1 cup of liquid to create steam and pressure. Add more liquid if necessary and try cooking again. Fix 2. Verify the steam release valve. Ensure the steam release valve is set to a sealing, not venting. A valve left in the vent position can prevent pressure from building and trigger the C7 error. Now check for food drips around the valve and clean it if needed. The fix 3. Inspect and clean the heating area. Remove the inner stainless steel pot. Check the heating plate at the bottom of the cooker for food residue. Then grease or moisture. Now wipe the heating plate with a soft, slightly damp cloth and dry it completely before reinstalling the inner pot. Make sure the inner pot sits flat on the heating element. Fix 4. Perform a power reset. Unplug the instant pot from the power outlet. Leave it disconnected for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug it back in and run a simple water test using a 2 cup of water on the pressure cooker setting. If the unit reaches pressure normally, the error may have been a temporary sensor glitches. Now the fix 5. Check the sealing ring. So remove the silicone sealing ring from the lid. Inspect it for cracks, stretching or improve installation. Now reinstall it securely so steam cannot escape during cooking. Now replace the ring if it appears damaged. And the final fix, test for a fault heating element. Add 2 cup of water and start a pressure cooker cycle. If the water does not heat up or the C7 error return immediately, the heating element, temperature sensor or internal wiring may be defected. Then internal repair should be handled by qualified service technicians. Goodbye and thanks for watching.